Hey, back on the day today. I'm just kidding. Same day, I got my backup alarm. You know what's pretty cool? It's an Echo backup alarm, dual tone, dual function. Fucking zoom in there. There you go. Dual function backup alarm. Dual function alarm. What does it say? Backup alarm? Backup. Yeah. Some backup alarms don't use that. Yeah, it's got the red and the white wire. So, here it goes. Fixing to hear this thing. It's loud. Oh, damn it. I can't stop doing an evil laugh. Yes, yes. Put the negative on, no positive. Oh, shit. I'm hooking them up wrong. Damn it, yeah, with this battery, it's so difficult. Okay, yeah. So here goes. I guess. If I could get the fucking camera on. Sorry, guys. Here goes. Now we're gonna go do the other function, which is different. Is this the same one I've ever had? Yeah, that's pretty funny. It goes wee. Let's do the high-low one last time, because I love it. How loud was that?